We got us Fuel Off-Road D911 15x7 on 4x56 or 4x156 Polaris wheels. So we'll open it up and see what we got.
And this is going on your XP 1000?
This is going on a 2020 XP Pro Ultimate.
Oh.
So, nice packaging. Beadlock green. Double line.
Wheeling that cart around.
Nicely packaged.
So the XP Pro that you have, what package of XP Pro is it?
The Ultimate.
Okay, and then, so is it red? Is red only coming, the Ultimate only comes in red?
You can get red and white, and I think as of today you can actually get a black too.
Oh. And that thing looks good. It'll never look like that again.
Not when I'm done with it.
Oh my God. Wow.
So, Fuel Off-Road D911. D911.
And those come with the center cap?
Yep.
Too?
Got the center cap here. Back of the bolts. What I did notice about the center cap is kind of a neat option, I guess, if you wanted to. Here's your bolts to hold it on. Kind of a neat option. What I've noticed is gives you a spot here for 2 bolts, but yet your rim has 6 holes. If you look, these little pegs here, these little fake bolts, fake Allen bolts here, they actually push out. So you could actually put 6 Allen bolts in it to hold it on if you truly wanted to have 6 Allen bolts. So it comes with 2 and 4 fake ones, and it comes with your Allen wrench and everything to put it together. So.
And how many bolts is it to put the beadlock on?
24. Torqued to about 15 pounds, and the way I like to put them on, start pulling them down, and then just work your way around in a circle gradually all the way down until you squeeze it all down until you get a constant 15 pounds of torque all the way around it. Everybody has a different way of doing it, but that's just the way I like to do it. What we got here is some made in the USA Intercore Super Swampers. TSL 3110-50-15s. I'm going to put these on the Fuel 911 rims. Putting them on my 2020 XP Pro. It's a light truck tire. Kind of always wanted to try one. Heard mixed reviews about them, but I want to try it for myself.
So you're running it down with those 5 bolts because the lip of the tire is so thick?
Yeah, the tire's a lot thicker than a UTV tire, so just run it down enough to get these good and started, and then I'll go around it and torque them all down. Then once I get these pulled down, where these loosen up, then I'll take these out and replace them.
Scott's doing the final torque on the fuel rims and the TSL tires, super swappers. Justin's over here shining up his rims so he doesn't have any leaks around the bead. Give him a little bath.
That's it.
So Scott, you just have 2 more to go now?
Yeah.